Hello everyone, and a warm welcome back to Dinh Duy Cuong's YouTube channel. Every single day we make it a priority to upload a new video answering students' questions at exactly 8 p.m. If you don't want to miss out on any of these helpful videos, you can hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon right now. By doing this, the next time we release new content, you'll be the first person to see it. In this specific video today, I am going to answer a common student's question. They recently received a Lectra file, but unfortunately don't know how to open it using Google. So now I will guide you through the process step by step. First, you will open the usual button design window to get started. Then go to File. Click on Open. When this window appears, when the open window pops up, look down at the line that says File of Type. Normally it's set like this. Usually it's set to Mark 3 format, right? But if you want to open an extra file, look down at the very bottom line. There's an option called Lectra Design with the file extension MDL. Click on it. Then select the location where your Lectra file is stored, the one you want to import into the software. After that, just click Open, and now you will import all these details. That's it. And you will save it. You will save it, and take note. Pay attention to which directory you're saving to, so keep that in mind, because when you save now, it will be saved to that directory. If you want to check, you can right-click on this detail. Click on this PID property. Then you'll also know which directory your detail is currently in. That's it. Here it is. This is the PDF Academy directory. And you will open it in this directory. That's it. So our die will immediately appear here. That's it. Pay attention to the date here. And that's how to open extra files on Google software. If you want to learn more in depth about Google software, you can check out the courses at PDF Academy. Goodbye, and see you in the next Q&A videos.